I witnessed a terrifying scene in Tucson, Arizona, USA. A large truck became stuck on the railroad tracks. It appears the vehicle was unable to move for an extended period. Tragically, a passing train struck the truck directly. Thankfully, it seems the occupants of the truck were able to escape the vehicle before the collision. This incident highlights the importance of following safety procedures. By understanding what happened, we can all work together to prevent similar situations in the future. This area is prone to flash floods. I hope the people there are okay. Snow creates a slippery road surface, reducing tire traction. While rollovers are less likely, it's still crucial to drive cautiously. Braking on snow requires gentle application to avoid locking up the wheels and potentially losing control. Vehicle approaching a blind bend. Use caution. The driver made an unsafe lane change without checking their blind spot without noticing, so maybe the police were quick to chase them. This area experiences strong winds and gusts. The driver wisely slowed down to maintain control of the vehicle in these challenging conditions. The driver reacted quickly and safely by coming to a complete stop after encountering a dangerous obstacle on the road. The weather and road conditions can significantly impact safe driving speeds. This incident serves as a reminder for all drivers, including commercial vehicle operators, to adjust their speed according to the conditions. The Tontitown Police Department recently released footage of a high-speed chase that resulted in a rollover crash. High-speed chases are dangerous situations for everyone involved, and law enforcement has strict protocols in place to minimize risks. This footage shows a high-speed chase ending in a rollover crash. Reckless driving can have serious consequences, and it's important for everyone to follow traffic laws and drive safely.
Qué bueno, pendejo, qué bueno.
This video shows a lane change incident near an exit. It's important for drivers to signal well in advance when changing lanes and to be aware of their surroundings to avoid collisions. This must have been a frightening experience for those involved. This video shows a vehicle losing control on the road. It's important to stay calm and follow safe driving practices if you find yourself in a similar situation. This video highlights the importance of regular maintenance and inspections for commercial vehicles. A malfunctioning vehicle, especially a large truck, can pose a significant risk on the road compared to a passenger car. This video shows a collision between two vehicles. Who is the one who goes in the wrong lane to cause a collision? Traffic accidents can happen for many reasons. This video shows an incident involving a driver and a sign. It's important to pay attention to road signs and warnings to avoid accidents. This video shows a rear-end collision on I-49 South in northwest Arkansas. Thankfully, everyone involved seems to be unharmed. It's important for drivers to stay focused on the road to avoid accidents. This video shows a close call at a highway exit near railroad tracks. It's important to be aware of upcoming exits and slow down if you miss one. It's important to maintain a safe following distance and be prepared to slow down or stop suddenly to avoid collisions. This video shows a spotter truck involved in an incident. Spotter trucks play a crucial role in maneuvering trailers in yards, and operators require specific skills for safe operation. Meeting at a police station can be a safe option for resolving situations that arise on the road.
Whoa, thank you.
This video shows a close call involving a driver. It's a reminder to always prioritize safety when exiting a vehicle after an incident. Remember to turn off the engine and step out cautiously, being aware of your surroundings. Hopefully, everyone is safe and emergency services arrive quickly. This is a reminder to stay alert and drive defensively to avoid accidents. This video shows a trash can falling off a garbage truck. It's a reminder to always secure your load to prevent debris from falling onto the road and causing accidents. This video shows a vehicle not slowing down and potentially missing a cue to brake. Distracted driving can be dangerous. While a Frana may be able to handle speeds of 90 kilometers per hour, it's important to drive according to road conditions and your own comfort level.
No!
This video shows a traffic incident involving a large truck. Turning around in tight spaces can be challenging for large vehicles. This video shows a vehicle and a do not pass sign. Disobeying traffic signs can lead to accidents. It's important to follow all traffic regulations for your safety and the safety of others. Having a dash cam can be helpful in documenting traffic incidents. It's important for drivers to be aware of their surroundings and signal well before changing lanes. This video shows a semi-truck in a difficult situation. If you find yourself in a similar situation, it's important to stay calm and call for help if needed.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
This video shows a traffic incident. It's important to remain calm and respectful after an accident, regardless of who is at fault. This video shows a vehicle encountering an unexpected situation. It's important for drivers to be aware of their surroundings. This video shows a winding road. It's important to slow down and drive cautiously on roads with sharp curves. This video shows a collision involving a police car. It's important for all drivers to stay alert and follow traffic laws. This video shows a close call during a lane merge. It's important to be aware of your surroundings and adjust your speed to allow for smooth merging when necessary. Maintaining a courteous and defensive driving style can help avoid accidents.
And that white van, look at that. Golly, there he goes.
This video shows a white van that appears to be experiencing some difficulty. It's important to maintain control of your vehicle and pull over safely if you encounter a problem while driving.
Look at him. Look at this dude. He's lost his look.
In 2.9 miles, turn right to merge onto I-4 West.
That's what happened. Oh, snap. Get him. Get him. Hope that's the law. Yeah. Woo-hoo!
Everything that bound me to the earth had been erased, and with blind confidence in my wireless operator,
This
set
video
course for the
appears to
Western
show a
Lands.
close call while
Only
overtaking
for
a
a
truck.
brief second.
Overtaking large vehicles can be risky due to their blind spots. It's important to ensure there's enough space and clear visibility before attempting to overtake any vehicle.